Every session, you have to start at least one good habit and do it consistently. This is your Do It task. Starting today, your task is to use a pedometer. We're going to go over how to use it. Pedometers are tools that measure leg movement, such as walking or climbing stairs. Using a pedometer on a daily basis can give you an idea of how much total movement you get in a day. When worn correctly, your pedometer records a step each time your foot hits the ground. All your steps throughout the day, including activities such as vacuuming, walking around the house, and brisk walking, are added to give you a total step count. Starting today, wear your pedometer and record your steps every day. Clip the pedometer to your clothes at your waist when you get up in the morning and reset it to 0. Be sure to reset the pedometer every morning. Attach it to your belt or waistband near the front of your hip bone, in line with your kneecap. Make sure it is securely attached and worn firmly against your body so it does not jiggle. Do not keep it in a pocket or in your purse. Make sure it is upright. The pedometer can only record your steps in this position, so make sure that it is attached properly and maintain it in that position throughout the day. If you think it isn't recording all your steps, try wearing it on your back, in line with the back of your knee. When you walk, make sure that you pick up your feet and that you are not shuffling. Take firm steps, walking with confidence. Take the pedometer off at night before you go to sleep. Write down the number of steps you took that day in your keeping track book. Don't open the case and don't get it wet. Keep it covered if you are walking in the rain. You should check the accuracy of the pedometer by taking a 20-step test. Use this to see if you are wearing it correctly. Reset it to 0. Clip the pedometer at your waist. Walk 20 steps. Check how many steps were recorded. If it recorded 20 steps, then you're using it properly. If it recorded in the range of 15 to 25 steps, then it is working well enough. If it recorded 10 to 15 or 25 to 30 steps, try the test again, placing the pedometer in a more stable location along your waistband or even to the small of your back. Make sure that it's attached firmly against your torso and does not move. Wear it in the spot that gives you the most reliable results. As you lose weight, you may need to do the 20-step test again to make sure that you're still getting accurate results. You can use the pedometer to determine how many steps you average in a week. Add your step counts for the 7 days and divide by 7 to get your average daily steps. You can also use it on a track or flat area to record how many steps it takes you to walk a kilometer. It takes about 1,250 steps for the average person to walk a kilometer, but this will vary depending on your stride length. Now that you know how to use a pedometer, aim for a goal of walking 10,000 steps per day, or a weekly average of 50,000 steps. Once you are doing at least 150 minutes of brisk walking per week, and you are not completely inactive in your normal day, you should achieve this target. Keep a record of your exercise level, as you do with food. Wear your pedometer and record the number of steps on your pedometer throughout the work week, from Monday to Friday. At the end of the work week, add up the number of steps taken during those 5 days and divide by 5. This is your weekday average. Similarly, add your Saturday and Sunday totals and divide by 2 for your weekend average. Keeping a record for at least 2 weeks will help you establish a regular walking routine. A fun way to get started is to wear your pedometer and pick 2 days during the week that are likely to be similar from a physical activity point of view. On the first day, your normal day, go about the day as you usually would, making no extra effort to be physically active. On the next day, incorporate as many short bursts of physical activity as possible without making any major changes. Turn any spare second into a physically active second. Taking the stairs instead of using the lift or escalator, or walking across the hall to talk to your colleague instead of using email or the phone. get off the bus one station earlier and walk home. Note the total number of steps on your normal day and compare it with the total number of steps on your lifestyle day. Do they differ? What short bursts of activity were you able to incorporate? Can you make them a regular part of your life? Once you've calculated your average step counts, you can compare your daily step count average with the 50,000 step target. If you are under 50,000 steps for the week, start increasing the number of steps each week by no more than 2,000 to 3,000 steps until you reach the goal. Here are some tips to help you. For exercise, spend half an hour brisk walking instead of watching TV. If you want to watch TV, do it while on a treadmill or exercise bicycle. If you enjoy company, find a friend to exercise with. You can keep tabs on one another. If you work at a desk, be sure to take regular breaks in which you do some physical activity. For example, to get tea or chat with a coworker. Use positive talk to get yourself prepared for exercise. Remind yourself how good it feels after you've exercised or how proud you are of your regular exercise. Start tomorrow. It is simple. Just walk more steps than you usually do. Here is a sample schedule from the Health Promotion Board. Be sure to make your own. Motivations. Write down motivations that will help you to complete this do-it task. For example, why do you want to lose weight? Write down one reason and be specific. I want to lose weight because... Turn your answers into a motivational statement. In order to lose weight, I will... Write out one affirmation to create a positive mindset for this program. I can do this, today, tomorrow, and for the rest of the week. A motivational template is in the Documents section for you to fill in and print. For each answer, make sure that it is SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, timely. When thinking about your goals and motivations, keep the following in mind. Challenge yourself, but don't aim for the impossible. Use positive language. At a minimum, look at your goal and goal actions at the start and end of the day. If you get discouraged, review your goal and actions and fine-tune them if needed. If you achieve the goal, reward yourself with a non-food treat. By adopting these good habits, you are improving your long-term quality of life. So be motivated and aim to make them a regular part of your life. There is no interactive exercise in this session since you should be out exercising. So good luck in developing your new exercise routine.